In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Fifth Third Bank mobile app. Whether you're new to mobile banking or just need a refresher, we're here to guide you through the process with ease. By the end of this guide, you'll have the app installed on your device and ready to use. So, let's get started. First things first, if you're using an iPhone, you'll want to open the App Store. For those of you on an Android device, head over to the Google Play Store. Both of these app marketplaces are where you'll find and download the Fifth Third Bank mobile app. This is a crucial step in ensuring you get the correct and official version of the app, so make sure you're in the right store for your device type. Once you've opened the correct store, you'll see a search bar, usually located at the top of the screen. Click into that search box and type in Fifth Third Bank app. As you start typing, you might see some suggestions pop up. Make sure to select the official app listed under Fifth Third Bank to proceed with downloading the correct application. After you've typed out the name, hit search and wait for the results to load. You'll see the Fifth Third mobile banking app icon in the search results. This is where you want to be sure you're selecting the right app, so double check that it's the official one. This can be confirmed by looking at the number of downloads and reviews, which are typically marked in millions for trusted and frequently used apps. Now, with the app selected, you'll see a button that says Install on Android devices or a small cloud icon if you're using an iPhone. Go ahead and click that button. What this does is set the download process in motion. Depending on your internet connection, this might take a few moments, so it's a great time to make sure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network, avoiding any interruptions during the download and installation. As the app installs, you might notice a small progress indicator, typically a circle that fills as the download progresses. Once this is complete, the app will automatically install itself and you should see an open button appear. For future ease of access, the app icon will appear alongside your other apps, ready for immediate use. No need to dig through menus or settings. And that wraps up our guide on downloading the Fifth Third Bank mobile app. As you now know, it's a straightforward process, but these steps ensure you get the right app quickly and safely. You're now ready to explore the app's features and start managing your finances right from your phone. Thanks for following along and happy banking.